Thinking about entering the US medical device market, but feeling overwhelmed by FDA regulations? You're not alone. The US is one of the biggest opportunities in medtech, but only if you get the registration process right. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process, timelines, costs, documents, and the most common mistakes to avoid. Hi, this is OMC Medical, your partner in global regulatory compliance. Let's break down medical device registration in the US 2026 in the simplest way possible. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Classify your device. Everything starts with classification. Your device will fall into Class 1, low risk, Class 2, moderate risk, Class 3, high risk. Why this matters? Because your entire approval pathway depends on this. Step 2. Identify the correct FDA pathway. You'll choose one of these: 510K, most common, substantial equivalence; De Novo, for new low to moderate risk devices; PMA, for high risk devices. Choosing the wrong pathway equals delays plus extra cost. Step 3. Appoint a US agent for foreign manufacturers. If you're outside the US, this step is mandatory. Your US agent communicates with FDA, handles regulatory queries, supports inspections. Step 4. Establishment registration and device listing. You must register your company with FDA, list your medical device. This is done annually. Step 5. Prepare technical documentation. This includes device description, risk analysis, clinical or performance data, labeling, and IFU. Think of this as your product's regulatory backbone. Step 6. Submit to FDA. Depending on your pathway, 510K submission, De Novo request, PMA application. Then you wait for FDA review. Step 7. FDA clearance or approval. Once approved, you receive clearance, 510K, or approval, PMA. You can legally market your device in the US. Step 8. Post-market compliance. This is ongoing. Complaint handling, MDR reporting, adverse events, quality system compliance, inspections. Timeline. Let's talk about timelines because this is where expectations matter. 510K, 3 to 6 months. De Novo, 6 to 12 months. PMA, 1 to 3 years. But here's the reality. Delays usually happen due to incomplete documentation or FDA queries. Cost breakdown, very important. Now the most searched part, cost. FDA fees 2026, approximate. 510K, approximately $20,000 standard. De Novo, approximately $130,000. PMA, approximately $480,000 plus small business discounts may apply. Other costs you must consider. US agent fees, $2,000 to $10,000 per year. Regulatory consulting, $5,000 to $50,000 plus. Testing and clinical data can go up to $100,000 plus. QMS implementation, ISO 13485, variable. Total realistic cost range, $30,000 to $500,000 plus, depending on device class. Documents required. Here's what you'll typically need. ISO 13485, certificate, device description, intended use, risk management file, clinical or performance data, labeling and IFU, declaration of conformity. Software documentation if SAMD. Missing even one key document can delay your approval. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's save your time, money, and stress. Wrong device classification. Choosing incorrect FDA pathway. Poor technical documentation. Ignoring FDA guidelines. No proper US agent support. Underestimating timelines and costs. Biggest mistake? Trying to do everything without expert guidance. Entering the US market doesn't have to be complicated, if you do it right. At OMC Medical, we help you with end-to-end FDA registration, documentation and submissions, US agent support, faster approvals with fewer delays. Planning your US market entry? Talk to our experts today. Let's get your device approved faster and smarter. OMC Medical, global regulatory experts. Get in touch today.